friends, welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, and lifestyle, and also everyday entertaining. So thank you so much for stopping by. We are here to do our April cloth and paper unboxing, and I'm excited about it. I get excited every month when I get these boxes because I am a fiend for anything stationery or paper related. What I also love about cloth and paper is that it is a Black female-owned company. So I'll do whatever I can to support them. Plus, everything that they have is such high quality and beautiful, beautiful design. And I mean that. I was a graphic designer many years ago, and so I know that this is beautiful design, top-notch paper quality, and I really appreciate all of that. So this month was a plant-themed box, and so we had these wonderful journaling cards. That one was a plant care card, and so this was really cool because it gave the essentials of how to care for your plants, and of course the what's inside card that we get in every box. And then our journaling cards for this week or this month, Thrive. And it talks about what it means to thrive. And then also the June pop-up calendar. You know, every month in these boxes, they've been giving us these pop-up calendars for the year. And I keep them on my desk and I love them. Another thing that they have been doing this year is they have been giving us desk items. And, one month they gave us a holder for our Post-it notes. They have also given us a paperweight, and every time a box comes, there's something that's beautiful for our desk. Well, this particular item is an acrylic desk stand, and so basically what you have is two pieces of acrylic and magnets that hold together in order to hold whatever you're framing. So it's really cute, and then this whole thing can sit up on your desk. I really love this. I love the aesthetics of it. It's very elevated, it's very high-end, and then I realized, oh, this can be even better. This is protective plastic on this. So, you'll see me peeling the plastic off on all sides. I thought it was frosted, and then I realized, oh, no, this is clear. So you can frame something really beautiful. You can actually have something that will be beautiful on both sides that you could frame. So I'm just for display purposes putting the card back in it that came with it, but you can use any kind of double-sided piece, or you can use two photos and then you just mash it in between the magnetized pieces of acrylic and it creates a little frame for you. It's so cute. It's so cute, and I have it on my desk now, and I'm really excited about that frame. The next item that you see, remember this box is all about plants, which is appropriate for April. We got some plant stakes. I opened this box and I was confused. I was like, what are these? And they really are clear labeled plant stakes. You peel off the protective coating and you can reuse these again and again in your plants or also in your garden. And there's two different sizes there. There are the tall size stakes, and then there are also some little stakes that you can put down into your plants or your herb garden or your garden outside. I have to admit, I don't have much of a green thumb. So I gave these to my husband. My husband always keeps both a flower garden in front of our house and also a vegetable garden in back and on the sides of our house. So we always have herbs and vegetables growing. So I knew that he could get good use out of these, even though I don't even bother with the house plants that we have inside. He takes care of all of those. And so this is a really lovely thing to have. So I passed those right off to him. And then also along with it came this marker. So this is a paint marker, and this can be used on those plant stakes. And so that was really perfect. This writes on any kind of windows, glass jars, wooden shelves, and other items. So I gave that to my husband as well because I knew that he could use that a variety of ways. And then we got this Botanica card deck. This is really beautiful for me. It is inspired by Victorian florography, and I actually have some Victorian florography in my home, and I absolutely loved this. And as you can see, there are many cards of all these different types of flowers, from sunflowers to rose to lupin to peony, and the list goes on and on. And you'll see as I quickly, flip through this deck, all of the beautiful cards and all of the different flowers that you can identify. I love hydrangeas. Orchid is my favorite flower, but hydrangeas have a special place in my heart because that was the flower that we had at our wedding. And it's so weird that orchids are my favorite because I can't keep anything alive. And they are probably the hardest plant to keep alive. And of course, we love cherry blossoms. We live in the DC area, and this time of year is the time for cherry blossoms, and amaryllis always makes me think of Christmas. So that's a beautiful deck of botanical cards. I think that I'm going to use this in a variety of ways in my planner, just decoratively. And then it's time to pull out the planner sections for the month and also the dashboard of the month. The dashboard of the month is Rooted and Olive Silhouette Dashboard. So you'll see that it comes with the first piece, which is a beautiful semi-transparent vellum that says Rooted. And then it gives the definition of what it means to be rooted. And then you'll see the black part, which is an embossed silhouette of an olive branch. It is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous alone, and they are gorgeous as a pair. So I plan to put these into my planner. I have to take something out because my planner is overstuffed, but I'm going to put this in because it's so beautiful. And then the planner set for the month are these plant logging inserts. And within this plant log, there are two different types of log. So you have one where you can log it plant by plant, and you can log how much sun does it need, how much water does it need, how often does it need to be trimmed or pruned. Very good when you are planting new flowers, new types of plants in your garden, to have this kind of log. And then you'll see you can also list things by date of when you planted it, any notes that you have about that particular plant. So that is the first set that is in there. And I thought this was very useful, not for me. Again, my husband also has a planner, so I passed this off to him because I know he buys a lot of gardening books, a lot of plant books. He also does farming. So I passed all of this off to him so that he could use it. This will allow you to look at all of your different plants that you have as one log, and you can make notes and comments about that and how often you water them. You can track that, and it's just a tracker that you can use for that. So I thought this was a very interesting and neat insert for those of you that are gardeners, for those of you that do flowers or vegetables. It really was a great box this month, perfect for April. I ended up giving a lot of the things away, but that's okay because I also have a lot of things. But I am grateful for receiving this month's April cloth and paper box. I enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Bye-bye.